Hey everyone, C Bullock here, and in this video we're going to be looking at how you can make a looping background with audio for your video in Movavi Video Editor Plus. So I'm going to start with a sample video. Now sometimes you can find videos that just automatically loop. So let me find one. I think this one automatically loops. So if I take this one, I'm going to copy it with Control C. And then paste with Control V. And make sure your playhead is at the end, or it will cut it in the middle. It'll cut it like that. We don't want that. I'm going to put it at the end, and then I just put as many as I want for the background, for as long as my video is. So you can see it automatically loops. Even though that's a clean cut there, it just kind of has a little fade out and back in, and it loops really nice. So that's the easy way, is just get a video that is already set up to loop. Now, not all videos loop well. So let's take this one here that comes with the Movavi Video Editor program. And you'll see that it does not loop well at all. So if I suppose it could, but it has that kind of cut there. So in order to make that cut a little bit smoother, I'm going to go down to the transitions here. And I'm going to choose Fade and Crossfade. And then I'll drag that down to the clip and test it. Now you can see it had a little freeze frame there, which we don't want. So I'm going to go ahead and cut both clips slightly so that it will use the remaining video from the clip in the transition instead of pulling a freeze frame. So yeah, that looked a lot better. And you can continue to play around with it by using this transition here. So I'm going to double click the transition, and then I can make it shorter. I can make it show a slow motion, like it'll fill the transition. You see how it says trimmed content there? Earlier it didn't have enough trimmed content, so it was freezing and showing a freeze frame, which it wasn't very smooth. So instead, I cut it there. But you could also make it slow motion, and that can slow it down and make it a little smoother too. But depending on the clip you're using, you just kind of play around with those options until you get something you like. Oh, see, that was great. You couldn't hardly even tell that it had a transition. Okay, so then from there, it's a little trickier to continue. We're going to copy these two. And then I'm also going to trim these slightly. And add the same transition to that clip. So we took it down to a second, and then I can copy all of those. And then you just keep repeating it for that transition that you don't want, that clean cut here. We're going to trim it back slightly, drag the crossfade, double click, 1 second, and there's your background. That is generally how I'm going to create a loop of any video that I have. Now, some video, this is a lot more difficult. Depending on your video, this is a really easy way to do it. Now, as far as audio, so if I want music to loop with it, then I'm going to find whatever music I like and use a similar method. So, let's see, let's find something good here. Okay, let's try that. There we go. Now, this audio is plenty long enough for the clip that we have here. But let's say it's not. Let's say it's only this. Now you see all these spikes here that are very similar. I'm going to look at those and try to cut it on one of those. So we're going to use the spikes here. We're going to set it on a spike. And then we're going to copy that. Paste. And then I'm going to grab another spike back here. About the same spot. And then I'm just going to listen to it. Okay, so that wasn't clean at all. So we don't want that. So what I will do is drag that spike out and then overlay it so the two spikes meet. Then I'm going to fade this one out by ½ second and this one in by ½ second. And then test it again. And ta-da! So then I would just repeat that transition as many times as I need it to continue that loop. So I would take this same piece, copy it, paste it, drag it out so I can see both spikes, and then match the spikes up. Now this piece is already automatically faded at the opening, so the spike doesn't look as big. So I'm going to zoom in. So the closer you zoom in, the easier it is to kind of line it up. And I just want to snap to the playhead there. We don't want that. So then I'm going to fade this one out at the end for that half second. Kind of double check it, listen over it. And as long as it sounds good, I'll just keep repeating until it works. Now, some songs, again, just like the video, some things are harder to loop. So kind of look at the places, and it's easier to see it. So I can see, you know, how similar all these spikes are. So I know that it's going to be pretty easy to loop that section of it. Now up here, it's a little softer. So I may not try to loop it with that. Like I did, I would cut it back to those similar spikes. So that's it. There's your looping background and audio for your video. Hope that helps. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Movavi Video Editor Plus videos and content. And we'll see you next time.